Now I want to show you a very beautiful app I found on Reddit that shows you very neat ODE animations. Because once again, one thing that I really love about ODEs are the pretty pictures that you can find. So you just go to the lecture notes, click on flows. And again, this is the animation. Let me start with a neat one. Hopefully you can see it. It's very beautiful. It just shows you pictures of solutions of ODEs. That's one thing I like. And then rainy day. Does look like it's raining. Rainy day. And then this is also beautiful. Like on the right-hand side, you can see a checkers kind of pattern, but on the left-hand side, it just flows. And gets weirder. Whoa. Brought to you by Target. And now it's broken. Wow. I mean, look at how it flows. There's some really cool animations. This is just water flowing back and forth. More. Whoa. Kind of trippy, don't you think? Yeah, butterfly in the sky. Ooh. Kind of like parting water, sort of. Yeah, of course, Mandelbrot set. By the way, it reminds me of a joke about Mandelbrot because what is the B in Benoit B. Mandelbrot? What does that stand for? Benoit B. Mandelbrot. No, fractals. Yeah, and then let's see what else. Oh yeah, circle convergence. I like that too. Trigonometry river. Centric. Ah, this is also so cool. It converges to circles. River. And people say I hate math. Like, how can you hate math if you have something that beautiful? Sapphire spirals. Let's see. Oh yeah, checkers. I like this one. Wow. This, let's see, what was it? Oh yeah, this is cute. And then let's see, shear zone. Wow. You will like ODEs. You will like ODEs. Then there was pendulum. All the stuff I was just talking about. Let's see, really cool one. Oh yeah, that is really cool. It did not disappoint. Oh, you're being watched. Wow. Little eyes. Let's see. There's something else. Yeah, brought to you by Target. That's literally. All right, I hope you liked this little segment, and I'm looking forward to studying more ODE with you. Thank you very much.